Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. We are going to solve this question today, which is 4 power x equals to 32. We have to find the value of x. How to solve this question? Okay, so this 4 can be written as 2 square. This will be power x equals to 32. So this is 2 square power x equals to, and this 32 can be written as 2 power 5, right? Now we will apply this exponential rule, which is a power m power n equals to a power m multiplied power n. So according to this exponential rule, this is going to be 2 power 2x equals to 2 power 5. Now as you can see, the base on the left side and on the right side is same, which is 2. Therefore, the exponent 2x on the left side should be equal to the exponent 5 on the right side. So let's equate 2x equals to 5. Now divide 2 on both the sides. So this 2 and 2 will cancel. We have x equals to 5 divided by 2. So this is our final answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Bye.